Hey guys, welcome to another one of my videos. In this video I'm going to be explaining a little bit about dimensions. Alright, now dimensions are needed to declare variables such as strings, boolean, integers, and so on, and arrays. Yeah, that's another one. Alright, so I'm going to go to the text part of the program and I am going to put in some dimensions. Now in order to start a dimension, fairly easy. It's DIM. That's it. Next thing you're going to want to do is put in your dimension name. So that's basically anything you want. You can make it anything. So I'm just going to type in text. Alright? And now this is where you can declare as a boolean, which boolean means true or false. You can put it into an array, which is kind of like a list. And you can put it as an integer, which allows you to add and subtract, or you can put it into a string, which is text. So I'm going to do as string, alright, and then I'm going to do equals. Now I'm just going to put in the quotation marks because I'm typing in some text here, and I'm just going to put in this is a test. Alright, there we go. And that's what text equals. So basically right now text equals this is a test. So whenever we see the word text, it's actually meaning this right here. Fairly simple stuff. Okay, so I have to name it something else. Apparently I can't use text because that's used as something else. So I'm just going to name it text1. There we go. Alright, bad example. Alright, so now I want the message box to show this is a test. So instead of typing in this is a test, I'm just going to type in test1. Alright, so now when I run the program, oh, I meant to type in text, my bad. Alright, text1. Alright, so now whenever I click the button, it's going to show this text, even though we have test1 typed in. So there's a difference. When we do this, you want to get rid of your quotations, because if you have your quotations here, it's going to show text1, and if you get rid of your quotations, it's going to show this is a test. Alright? So let's run the program, and I'm going to hit start. And as you can see, this is a test. Another thing I want to cover is if you have the dim or the dimension outside of a sub like this, private sub, and if you have it in the public, right here, the public class, you can use this sub, or you can use this dimension anywhere. So that means I could use it in this one or this one. So I'm going to show you another thing real quick, make it a little bit easier for you to understand what I mean. So right now I'm just going to get another button. Where button. There it is. Okay. Oops. Alright, got my button. Put another one here. Alright, and double click it. I'm going to double click this. And now I'm going to copy this and put it in here. Now, this is what I mean by it won't let you use a dim if you put it inside the private, because it's, like I said, it's private. So if I copy this and I put it inside with the message box that show inside the button, it's only going to work in here. So this means this one won't be able to read it because it's in another private sub. Alright, but if you put it out here, both will be able to read it. So if I try running this, it's going to give me an error saying that text1 isn't declared. So if I was to put it back out here, so both buttons can read the dimension. So if I click either one, it will actually show the text, which I'll show you right now. So if I click button 2, it says this is a test, and if I click button 1, it says this is a test. So I hope you guys understand that. Didn't really explain it that well, but it's not that bad to understand. So if you have any questions, like I said, leave a comment. There's nothing I can't fix or I can't go over again. So don't be afraid to ask. Well, like always, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate and subscribe.